This is the Surtron 120 electrosurgical unit from SpA's Surtron line, also available in powers 80 and 160. The unit comes with the following: a power supply cable, a kit of 10 various electrodes, 5 centimeters each in length, an electrode and handle holder, a neutral electrode, and the cable for the neutral electrode, a single pedal waterproof foot switch, a monopolar pencil handpiece with a blade electrode. On the back panel you'll find the white label with the max power level and corresponding impedance of each function, along with the serial number of your device. To the right, the housing for 2 fuses. It is important to check the indicated voltage is set to match the electrical current in your country. Slightly below, you'll find the socket to power your device. Go ahead and press the power switch to turn on your device. In the front panel, you'll find there are 3 connection points for your accessories. The connector for your foot switch. Once inserted, you can screw the foot switch connector to ensure it won't come out if pulled. A connector for your neutral cable and electrode, and the connector for your monopolar handle. Make sure to keep all your cables untangled to avoid sending interference back into the device. When turned on, your device will do a startup check to ensure all the accessories are working properly. The red light labeled OC will indicate if your neutral cable and plate are functioning properly. Make sure to correctly insert the neutral plate as shown. Always keep the neutral plate within a reasonable range of the operation site. Unscrew the tip of your monopolar handle, insert the electrode, and screw it back into place, ensuring it doesn't move. The 2 value displays in the front of the panel indicate the power level currently set. The yellow box corresponds to the cut functions, while the blue box indicates the coagulation functions. The power level is regulated by the knobs below. While using a monopolar handle with a foot switch, you will be able to switch from cut and coag functions by pressing the yellow and blue buttons. The yellow button corresponds with the last chosen cut function, while the blue button selects the last chosen coag function. For example, we will pre-select the functions we want and choose the power level. To activate the handle, press the foot switch. The Surtron 80, 120 and 160 can run 5 functions. Pure cut. This function allows you to make precise initial incisions with a light amount of coagulation. When cutting, we recommend activating the electrode before touching the tissue, and deactivating only after you've finished operating. Blend cut. This function is modulated and provides a bit more of coagulation, suitable for areas with more blood and fluids. Forced. The function Forced Coag allows for a quicker and superficial coagulation. When using coagulation, we recommend activating after you've already placed the electrode onto the tissue, and releasing it only after you've deactivated the electrode. Soft. The soft coag function is meant for a slower but deeper coagulation. Bipolar. This function allows you to use bipolar accessories for coagulation. For bipolar, you will need to use an adapter to connect any bipolar accessories. Connect your bipolar tweezer or scissor to your bipolar cable. For standard US bipolar accessories, insert the bipolar adapter to your device. Next, insert your bipolar cable and connect your cable to your bipolar electrode. And press the foot switch to activate it. Remember to never place the active handle directly onto the neutral plate. This will short-circuit the device and cause internal damage. The same can be said with bipolar tweezers and scissors. Touching the two poles can cause sparks and will short-circuit the device. When using the monopolar handle without a foot switch, you can directly activate the cut and coag functions by using the buttons instead of pressing the foot switch. As such, you will need to manually pre-select the functions you wish to use. Electrodes for both monopolar and bipolar must be cleaned continuously to avoid the accumulation of coagulated tissue. You can enter the volume settings by holding the cut function when you turn on your device. On the value display, you will see SOU, and on the right side, in the coagulation section, you can turn the knob to increase or decrease the sound volume. Press the cut function again to confirm your selection. Your electrode and active handle holder is placed at the side of the device and screwed in.